Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today is a very exciting day. Sharon and I are going to be announcing the swap partners for our season 2 Ghouls Just Want to Have Fun swap. Before I announce the swap partners, real quick, we're just going to go over the swap requirements. The swap does have to be Halloween themed. Please post an outgoing and incoming YouTube video or on Instagram. Tag myself at DoubleClick Connect and Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic. You need to create an envelope flipbook with a minimum of 3 envelopes with at least 3 die cuts per envelope, 2 ticket embellishments, an ATC or MDC, a crafty container filled with bits and bobs, a Halloween sweet treat, a Halloween crafty goodie, and a handmade crafter's choice. Partners are being announced today, and your packages must be mailed out by October 13th. So without further ado, let's go ahead and announce the swap partners. Everybody's channels will be linked down below, and if they're not on YouTube and they're on Instagram, their Instagram handle will be linked down below. Please reach out to your partner to swap information, likes, dislikes, if you want an MDC or an ATC. Verify the swap with your swap partner, and if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to myself or for Sharon. Here is the list of swap partners. Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic is being partnered with Carissa at K3 Crafts. Kim over at Kimmiwah on Instagram is being partnered with Mika over at Mikaboo32, also on Instagram. Pebbles over at Colita's Creations will be swapping with Diana over at Diana Loves Colors. Elizabeth, the Crafty Cricket, we'll be swapping with Raquel, Big Mama Cobb 2.0, also over on Instagram. Leanna over at It's a Deal will be swapping with Desi at Happy to Create on YouTube as well as Instagram. Dana over at Butterfly Crafts will be swapping with Christine Kawaii Memo Love. Enos over at Paper Crafting with Enos will be swapping with Kathy at Kathy's Creative Crafts. Lauren on Instagram at LaurenOC64 will be swapping with Carrie, also on Instagram at CraftyCarrie64. Myself will be swapping with Annie over at Annie's Paper Crafts, and I also will be swapping with Lori over at Petey Pie Designs. Please reach out to your swap partner for likes and dislikes. If you're going to swap ATC MDC mailing information, please tag myself or Sharon on your incoming and outgoing swap packages. Have lots of fun, and please mail your packages out by October 13, 2025. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to myself or to Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic. We are so super excited to be hosting our Ghouls Just Want to Have Fun swap again for the 2nd season. We had so much fun last year, and I cannot wait to watch all of the incoming and outgoing videos and check out all of the amazing projects that everyone will be creating. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.